हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू एग्ज़ाम ग्रेड 95 चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम इकोनॉमिक्स के 20 MCQ क्वेश्चन कवर करेंगे। ऑल दीज क्वेश्चन आर इम्पोर्टेंट एंड कवर्ड फ्रॉम प्रीवियस पेपर्स। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हु इज़ कॉल्ड द फादर ऑफ economics? Correct answer is option number C, Adam Smith. Adam Smith is known as father of economics. The time element in price analysis was introduced by, फ्रेंड्स इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, अल्फ्रेड मार्शल। मिक्स्ड इकोनॉमी रेफर्स टू, correct answer is option number D, the coexistence of public as well as private sector. NABARD stands for National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Option number B is correct answer. The new agriculture strategy in India was introduced in 1966. Option number B is correct. The difference in the value of visible exports and visible imports is called balance of trade. Option number C. Economic development depends upon, correct answer is option number D, all of the above. Natural resources, capital formation एंड साइज ऑफ मार्केट, इन तीनों पर डिपेंड करती है इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट। टेक ऑफ स्टेज इन एन इकोनॉमी मीन्स स्टडी ग्रोथ बिगिंस। ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज करेक्ट। टैक्सेशन इज ए टूल ऑफ फिस्कल पॉलिसी। ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज करेक्ट। ए टैक्स इज सेड टू बी regressive when its burden falls more heavily on the poor than on the rich। जब बर्डन गरीब लोगों पर ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है एज़ कम्पेयर टू अमीर लोगों के, देन टैक्स इज सेड टू बी regressive। नेक्स्ट इज, इफ़ ए कंट्री devalues its currency, its exports become cheaper and imports become costlier। Option number A is correct. The Minimum Wage Act was first passed in India in the year 1948. Option number B is correct. Poverty in less developed countries is largely due to, correct answer is option number B, income inequality। Next question, globalization of Indian economy denotes, answer is having minimum intervention in economic relations with other countries। Option number B is correct। Closed economy means a country having no imports and exports. The rate of tax increase as the amount of the tax base increases is called, correct answer is option number B, progressive tax। What does the letter E denotes in the term e-banking? Electronic banking। Coal mines were nationalized in the year, correct answer is option number C, 1972। Economics of a firm are saving in its production costs। Option number D। The terms bull and bear are associated with, option number C, stock market। is answer